So visualizing workflows, process mapping is a key part to this. So if you're interested in learning how to implement like agents and how that's all going to be in like 6 months or whenever your company may be ready, this will probably be the starting point where you'll need to go into. And there are a lot of different ways of doing process maps. The way that I do it is kind of like a zoom out. I want kind of the biggest idea and then kind of narrowing down. Or if you want a better analogy, kind of starting at the top of the ladder and then working down. So within process maps, if I'm going to take recruiting, because hopefully it's not too hard to follow, you have kind of 5 core processes within recruiting. You need to kick off the role, you have to generate pipeline, you have to screen candidates to make sure they're right for the role, you conduct the full interview process, and then you go to offer. This is your top line flow of what happens within a recruitment process. And this is kind of your level 0. Don't look at level 1, it's actually meant to be level 0. So what happens there is, if we take, for instance, manage offers, is each one of these then have a workflow layer. So that's where you go down the process and you then have these different workflows. So to complete the offer process, you need to prepare offer details, you need to submit the offer for approval, you extend it, the candidate accepts, doesn't accept, you then send the formal offer information, and then you receive that signed contract. But there's then this level 2, which is really where the work gets done. And as I mentioned, I've gutted this, but this would be an example. You've got all the different colors. These will be the different people or the different stakeholders, the different teams, and this is their role within it. So you will start to see what you would be doing is interviewing these people, and you'd be going, walk me through your workflow. Give me the step-by-step, task-by-task thing that you're doing. So you're opening up your HRIS system. You are clicking on Y. You are reviewing this. This is, and then you're really going through these granular steps. This is building the foundation of what you would need to do if you were to train an agent on what steps it had to follow.